Today we are in the Netherlands, my home country, and we are visiting the city of Gouda, here in kind of the middle of the Netherlands. Gouda is world famous for their Gouda cheese, so let's see what we can find. Some pofjes, cheese, some other Dutch things. Let's go. Yeah, so I've been walking a bit around here in this ancient old town. As you can see, this is the old traditional Dutch houses, maybe 200 years old, maybe longer, but this is beautiful here, which you can see here on the outside. This is like the professions of the people who used to live here. I'm not sure what it is, maybe bakery kind of thing. There's like an stone maker, carver, different professions and people who used to live here. People love to have like a small windmill in their garden, as you can see here. It's pretty cool. This one is pretty well detailed. So today is Saturday, so there's a huge market here on the square next to the Townhall, the old ancient Townhall. So let's just walk around and have a look what they're selling. You can see here apples, fruits, dog food.
Allemaal vakantiefoto's dan natuurlijk. Ik ben bang dat het niet terugkomt. Ja, zeker. Ja, dat is het lekker waar.
Hallo. So this is the Goudse Waag. This is the old cheese factory. I think now it's a museum. As you can see on the outside, you see these men are weighing cheeses for the market here. The building is from 1668. It's pretty old. Let's have a look inside. So you can also buy cheese. You can taste them. Pretty good, huh? No? It's like the old cheese. It's like a little bit like in between the young and the old. So the older the cheese, the more, a little bit harder it becomes, a little bit more taste it gets. But this is really good cheese, yeah. In the cheese capital of the world, Gouda. Who would have thought?
That's it. There's any here I haven't found yet.
And here we can see the scaling, the waag. The scale, they put the cheeses on one side. This is a fake one, cheese, and then the weights over there. They put it on the other one, so they could weight how many kilos the cheese was. Maybe if you've ever been to Amsterdam, you know the walls where you can take the snacks out. So you pay, open the window, and you have the snack. Well, in Gouda they have the one with the stroopwafel. So they have the stroopwafel wall. So you see they have all kinds of stroopwafel. They have the stroopwafel and the stroop cookie. They have different kinds They have the one with the small ones, the broken ones, all kinds. And then here you basically pay, or you choose the one and then you pay, and then the door will open. This is for the stroopwafel lover, you see? 3 packs in one. It's pretty good. And here's some souvenirs. The one in the can. This is another kind of...
Pretty smart.
It's also maybe a museum in one. So stroopwafel museum and wall. Okay, so we're in a place now called Brownies and Downies, and we ordered some delicious latte and a cappuccino, and you get a complimentary brownie with it, with some whipped cream and a tequila. No, it's not a tequila, it's just some water. But it looks delicious. Let's put a bit of the whipped cream in the cappuccino. I've never done this before. Whipped cream in the cappuccino. Like this. Like this. Just taste it a bit. Good. Very good. So Brownies and Downies is actually a chain here in the Netherlands, and the name already says Downies, so it gives a opportunity to people with the syndrome of Down or kind of similar disabilities to have a job. So most of the people who work here have the syndrome of Down, and yeah, it's pretty cool actually. A lot of people like it, and it's pretty popular. It's always busy here, and the food is amazing, especially the brownies, of course, and the cappuccino and the drinks. And we're waiting for some food to arrive, so catch you when we have it. Nice little brownie. Okay, so the main dish has arrived here in the cafe. It's a cheese platter with different kinds of cheeses. I think this is the pesto. Oh, there's a name, yeah. Yeah, so Gouda original, Gouda jalapenos. I think this is the jalapenos. And then indeed the pesto, Gouda black label. That must be this one. Let's try a piece of this pesto cheese. It's really nice, soft and creamy, with the taste of pesto. Yeah. This is like a discount voucher at the cheese shop where they buy the cheese for 10%. So if you want to buy the cheese at the shop afterwards, you can get it with 10% discount. Okay guys, that was Brownies and Downies, and we walked outside and we saw typical Dutch thing going on here, an orgel. It's on the street, so let's have a closer look. It's a little bit loud, but let's go. Hello. So we're back at the market and we're on our way. Jury found a place. It's the oldest stroopwafel store in the Netherlands. Jury, is it the oldest stroopwafel?
I think so.
I think so. Okay, let's go there. Okay, we found it. Oh, this is the one, Jury.
Yeah, right?
This one is another. That one is flyer. It's like a cake. Oh, look at this.
Hallo.
Hallo.
Een stukje proeven.
Ik denk dat zij wel een stukje wil proeven, ja.
Neem
Oh,
een
hier.
stukje.
Ah, very nice. Hello.
Hallo. Kan ik u helpen met iets?
She was wondering, this is the oldest?
Yeah, this
the oldest original.
Recipe for May 210. And we only make it here. And it's possible to visit our factory. We give tours in our factory. And the last tour will start 4 o'clock. And it's almost 4 o'clock. It takes you 45 minutes.
Yeah. Shall we do that?
Yeah?
Yeah, because you know it's a good experience.
The price, is 11.50 per person.
Yeah.
You like to do that?
Yeah, and it comes with like a chopped waffle, right? In the end, because I read that.
Yeah. You was here already.
Yeah. I read the Japanese blog already.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Okay.
It's written in a Japanese book.
On the blog, yes, this place.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, like a whole experience.
Okay.
Yeah.
She knows it. Okay.
Okay.
At least she
Famous
works
in
here for
Japan
a long
even
time.
now.
Yeah?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Dat was nog in de...
Sorry?
Nee.
Oh.
Dat was nog in de tijd van Robert, dat we toen al hadden.
Oké.
Volgens mij China.
Oh, this is the liqueur. This is the stroopwafel alcohol.
Okay, here. Yes.
This I've never tasted this, but it should be really good. This is a beer. Wow. So we're waiting for the silver waffle tour in the museum, and I just found out they built an ice skate ring around the old town hall here, which is pretty cool. So all the kids can ice skate the whole day for the weekend.
So you don't have to look. Better. It's better for you. Yes, Mr. Kamphuizen will tell you the story. It's a very old man because it's a secret recipe of 1810. So I found him with a Nokia mobile. I said, Mr. Kamphuizen, you have to tell because you know everything. So he will tell you the story about the history of Kamphuizen.
So what a bit of a story about the history and how the cookies are made, and now we're gonna visit the factory itself. So here you can taste a different kind of syrup. Wow. Tastes so fresh and so nice and sweet. So downstairs you saw the new modern waffle maker, but these are the really old ones where they started with. You see, so they put the dough in here, they closed it, and then they heat it up. Really old school. Oh. Yeah, go. Oh, jury's gone. Let's see. Ah, the recipe. They said it in the recipe of the syrup waffle is in this safe apparently, but it's closed. Okay, let's go down again. Ooh, not sure if this is a good idea, but let's do it. Oh my god, I haven't been on these things. Oh. Oh. I think that has been like at least 15 years. The last time I took one of those. Yeah. Oh. 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 Dankjewel. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice. Oh wow, that's cool. So yeah, this is the syrup waffle. It's not a stroopwafel, but a syrup waffle. The original one. From Kamphuizen in Gouda. Hallo. Oh. De jassen worden zelfs hier naartoe gebracht. Wow. They even bring the coats here. Okay, so that was the syrup waffle factory, the oldest in the world and the best waffles in the world, apparently. Well, they taste really delicious. This is the end of the day. As you can see, it's getting dark. The day is over here. We've seen a bit of the cheese, history of the Netherlands here in Gouda, the waffles, just the daily life here, how it's gonna go, how it's be. I believe today is Saturday, but I believe every Thursday there is a original cheese market here. So if you're ever gonna visit Gouda, come in during the summer months on the Thursday to see the ancient trading of the cheese. Anyways, see you in the next one here from the Netherlands. Probably next one from a different country. Bye bye.